these are the Carews. Are they meant that a Carew 4? I think they are louder on these kind of surfaces. Overjet. Seamlessly. I mean seamlessly up to 94 miles per hour then, which is obviously very naughty. Back down to 40, shall we? Treat yourself down to 40. Lovely, lovely. But they're very knobbly. That's because they're brand new. Obviously they're knobbly. They're brand new, but you can definitely feel the knobs. You know, I didn't think they could on the previous tires, the GS 1200. Which were I had I think they were Bridgestone something or others. They were very, very good tyre. I will have them again.